Hello everyone, this is Uma Ekaude, your computer teacher, and today we are going to learn MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is word processing software. It is developed by Microsoft and is part of Microsoft Office suite. It enables you to create, edit, and save professional documents like letters and reports. Microsoft Office button is located on the top left corner of the window. It is a new user interface feature that replaces the traditional file menu. Now let us study some important commands in Microsoft Word. New. This command enables you create a new file, that is Word document. Open. This command allows you to open an existing file on the computer. Save. This command is used to save a file after completing the work. You can also save the changes made to the currently open file. Save as. This command helps you save a new file with a desired file name to a desired location on the hard drive. Print. This command is used to print a hard copy of the currently open document. Prepare. This command allows you to prepare the document for distribution. That is, you can view and edit the document properties and inspect the hidden metadata. Send. This command allows you share the document with other users. That is, you can send a document through email or by posting to a blog. Publish. This command allows you distribute the document to other people. That is, you can create a blog with the content of the document. Close. This command is used to close the currently open file. Now let us study the window of Microsoft Word. On the first place we have title bar. It lies next to the quick access toolbar. It displays the title of the currently open document or application. It is present on almost all windows displayed on your computer. So if there are several windows across the screen, you can identify each window by looking at the title bar. In many graphical user interface, you can also move a window by dragging the title bar. We can see the example of title bar below on this slide. Ribbon and tabs. The ribbon is a user interface element which was introduced by Microsoft in Microsoft Office 2007. It is located below the quick access toolbar and the title bar. It comprises 7 tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review, and View. Each tab has specific groups of related commands. It gives you quick access to the commonly used commands that you need to complete a task. Home tab. The Home tab is the default tab in Microsoft Word. It has 5 groups of related commands: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. It helps you change document settings like font size, adding bullets, adjusting styles, and many other common features. It also helps you to return to the home section of the document. Insert tab. Insert tab is the second tab in the ribbon. As the name suggests, it is used to insert or add extra features in your document. It is commonly used to add tables, pictures, clip art, shapes, page number, etc. The Insert tab has 7 groups of related commands: pages, tables, illustrations, links, header and footer, text and symbols. Page Layout tab. It is the third tab in the ribbon. This tab allows you to control the look and feel of your document. That is, you can change the page size, margins, line spacing, indentation, documentation, orientation, etc. The Page Layout tab has 5 groups of related commands: themes, page setup, page background, paragraph, and arrange. Reference tab. It is the fourth tab in the window. It allows you to enter document sources, citations, bibliography, commands, etc. It also offers commands to create a table of contents and index, table of authorities. The References tab has 6 groups of related commands: table of contents, footnotes, citations and bibliography, captions, index and table of authorities. Mailing tab. It is the fifth tab in the ribbon. It is the least often used tab of all the tabs available in the ribbon. It allows you merge emails, writing and inserting different fields, preview results and convert a file into a PDF format. The Mailings tab have 5 groups of related commands: create, start mail merge, write and insert fields, preview, results and finish. Review tab. It is the sixth tab in the ribbon. This tab offers you some important commands to modify your document. It helps you proofread your content, to add or remove comments, track changes, etc. The Review tab has 6 groups of related commands: proofing, comments, tracking, changes, compare and protect. View tab. The View tab is located next to the Review tab. This tab allows you to switch between single page and two-page views. It also enables you to control various layout tools like boundaries, guides, rulers. Its primary purpose is to offer you different ways to view your document. The View tab has 5 groups of related commands: document view, show hide, zoom, window and macros. Ruler. The ruler is located below the ribbon around the edge of the document. It is used to change the format of the document. That is, it helps you align the text, tables, graphics and other elements of your document. It uses inches or centimeters as the measurements